Now let us see the next question. Actually this is from AC voltage regulators. In GATE syllabus AC voltage regulators is not there, so this is out of syllabus. Anyway, we'll see the solution for this one. Now read the question once. Thyristor T1 is triggered at an angle alpha and T2 at an angle 180 degrees plus alpha in each cycle of the sinusoidal input voltage. Assume both thyristors to be ideal. To control the load power over the range 0 to 2 kilowatt, the minimum range of variation in alpha is. So it is simply AC voltage regulator, input is AC, and if you see the output, it is not purely resistive load because it is 10 at an angle minus 60 degrees. It does mean that it is a lagging load, and here lagging load means it is an inductive load. What is the load angle here? Theta. I am assuming that theta is equal to simply 60 degrees lagging. Okay, so now here T1 is triggered at alpha, T2 is at 180 plus alpha in each cycle of the sinusoidal input voltage. Now let me draw the input voltage here, which is pure sinusoidal. Okay, this is 0, 180 degrees, this is 360 degrees, this is Vs. For suppose if it is purely resistive load, then what is the range of firing angle to control the output voltage? That is from 0 to 180 degrees. For R load, but it is not R load, but simply I am saying for R load, range of firing angle, range of alpha, it is from 0 to 180 degrees. Okay, but it is a inductive load, an inductive load. For RL load, what is the range of firing angle to control the output voltage? Range of firing angle to control output voltage. So here that depends on the load angle. So the range of firing angle to control the output voltage is from theta to 180 degrees, not from 0, it is from theta to 180 degrees. Okay, so here what is theta? Theta is 60 degrees. We can control the output voltage from 60 less than alpha less than 180 degrees. So if you give firing angle in between 60 and 180 degrees, we can control the output voltage. If you are controlling the output voltage, means we are controlling the load power from where to where? 0 to 2 kilowatt. So what is the range of firing angle to control the load power? 60 to 180 degrees. So option B is correct. We can